Alden, we have been looking at those roads all day, and they seem like they're doing pretty good, but is there any way that they are going to be icy as we get into the afternoon? Do people need to start worrying or be prepared for that afternoon commute?
Well, temperatures right now are near even a little bit above freezing. So any snow that's going to fall is initially just going to melt, which is going to be good. But later on into the evening, as we see those temperatures falling, that's when we could possibly have a little bit of light icing concerns. Looking up in Scottsburg at the moment, we do see that white coating out there on the ground, but the roads are fairly dry at the moment, and it hasn't been snowing for a few hours in many locations. Here's a look at Max HQ radar over Metro Louisville. We don't have any snow falling at the moment either. Any snow that is falling is down to our southeast and exiting our viewing area. So Springfield and Lebanon, you guys just had some light snow, but that's beginning to wind down, and this is pushing off to the east at the moment. But we're going to be watching back to our west for more snow that'll be moving in here over the next few hours. So this activity in western Indiana, off in central Illinois, also in central Indiana, is going to be rotating south and eastward here over the next several hours, and that's what's going to bring us that next round of snow that could be a little bit heavy at times, and we're maybe starting to see a few flurries enter into our westernmost counties. So it'll still be a couple of hours, I think, before we begin to see the next round of snow really move in. So there is a winter weather advisory in place. This starts at 1 and goes until 10 p.m. this evening, and it's mainly for the intensity that the snow could come down at times, which would reduce visibilities to possibly a mile or less. And as we see temperatures cool off later this evening, we could possibly have a few slick spots out there on the roads. Temperatures at the moment, though, as I said, are near or slightly above freezing. It's 33 in the metro, 33 in Corden, 34 in Brandenburg. It's 35 in Hardinsburg. So this will be I can't say it. A wet, heavy snow initially. And that's going to be a good thing because that means there's going to be a little bit of melting at first. So let's go ahead and look at Futurecast here. Doing an okay job picking up on our current temperature situation, but notice by 3 o'clock we're starting to see some of those heavier snow bands moving into southern Indiana, and later this evening by about 6:30 temperatures are going to start to drop to closer to below freezing, and that's when we could see some minor accumulations from those heavier bands of snow. But it's going to push out of here fairly quickly, and by about 10 p.m. I think we're going to be done. The sky will start to clear. That's going to allow temperatures to back off into the teens as we wake up on our Saturday morning. And Saturday, we're going to have sunshine across the entire area, so it's going to look much nicer out there. Temperatures, though, are going to struggle to make it to 30 degrees. And heading through Sunday, we'll have a partly sunny sky, and those temperatures are going to start to recover, and we're going to see a brief winter thaw as we head into February. Here's the scope of that snowfall accumulation. Still some light accumulations for those areas in the gray shading, light blue shading, which does include part of Jefferson County, Kentucky. Could see some more minor accumulations, maybe an additional inch or inch and a half in some of those stronger areas. Here's the Storm Team 7-day forecast. 42 degrees on Sunday. We're going to start off mostly sunny out there, but we will see those clouds increasing. 50 on Monday, middle 50s, Tuesday, Wednesday. And notice, though, we already have some pretty high rain chances in there Tuesday, Wednesday through Thursday. So we're going to be looking at a wet storm system, and by Thursday could also see a transition from rain to snow. Going to be a lot of changes with that forecast here over the next several days, so be sure to stay in tune to that.